Welcome to Cat's Scratch Kitchen. Most of us are familiar with the Jiffy Mix brand. It's been around since 1930, and the uses for all of its varieties seems endless, especially the cornbread mix. In the past, I've shown you how to make a homemade version of this mix, and I'll link that video below if you're interested. Today, you can use the store-bought version or our homemade copycat. We're going to whip up a delicious breakfast treat that's sure to get your taste buds dancing. Bacon, egg, and cheese Jiffy Mix muffins. They're quick, easy, and oh so tasty. They're super easy to make with just a few ingredients and some simple steps. So grab your apron and let's get started. First thing you want to do is turn your oven on to 400 degrees and grease a baking tin for muffins. Then we're going to fry up 4 slices of bacon and crumble them up, set them aside. Then in about 2 tablespoons of the leftover bacon grease, we want to whip up 3 eggs and scramble them. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. You don't want to cook them too well done because they're going to be going into the oven again and we don't want them to be completely rubbery. Once they're scrambled, we're going to set them aside and put the rest of the mix together. Okay, this is our homemade Jiffy Mix, the equivalent of 1 box. We're going to add that to a bowl. Going to add 1 egg. We have a 1/2 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, our 4 slices of crumbled bacon, and a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese that's been shredded. And just mix it all together. And lastly, we're just going to fold in our scrambled eggs. Now we're going to fill our muffin tins about 2/3 full. Now they're just going to go in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this terrific addition to your morning meal. As always, the recipe is just below the like button as well as the link so that you can print it out. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of things you like to make with Jiffy Mixes. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Cat's Scratch Kitchen and come back every week for a new and delicious video. Until next week, have fun in the kitchen.